How to change background color in Photopea. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will show you how you can change background color in Photopea. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up Photopea. You can open up the application. If not, you can also open photopea.com via browser. Once you're here, now as you can see, I have this image right here, and currently the background is set to white color, and I have a text as well. Now to change your background color, navigate to this right hand sidebar. There you have your background, your text layer, and if you have added other layers, you could also find all of your layers right here. Now to change your background color, click on your background double. So once you double click on your background, you will have layer style pop-up box in your interface. So once you set this layer style pop-up box in your interface, you have to select the color overlay option. And currently I have set my background color to red, as you can see here. Now to change it, click on this color right here. Here you have to pick a color. If you want to set a different color, for example, I want to go with the color green, click on this color here. Now with the help of this slider, you can simply adjust your color from here. Once you have your color, click on OK, and as you can see, the background color is already changed. Once you're done, click on OK. And that's it. That's how you change background color in Photopea, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.